You know, right now, at this very second, someone out there is making money while they're fast asleep. They don't have an office, they don't have a boss, and honestly, they probably have zero prior experience. What they do have is AI, doing all the work for them. But here's the scary part, right? That same technology is threatening to make a lot of jobs just disappear. So today, we're not going to just talk about the threat. No, we're going to show you exactly how to flip the script and make AI work for you.
And that brings us to what might be the single most important question you'll face in your career. It's really that simple. Are you going to be replaced by this incredible, unstoppable wave of technology? Or are you going to get paid by it? That's the choice. And that's what we're breaking down right now.
Let's just be real for a second. Trying to build an income online the old way, it feels like an impossible uphill battle, doesn't it? Everyone tells you that you need these special skills or years of experience, a big pile of cash to start. It's exhausting. It feels designed to make you quit.
And you know what's even worse? So many of us, we sink months, sometimes even years, chasing these different strategies and side hustles that in the end just go absolutely nowhere. You're just running on a hamster wheel of frustration and burnout. All that time, all that effort, for basically nothing.
And while everyone's stuck on that hamster wheel, AI has been quietly working in the background. I mean, it's automating entire businesses, it's writing killer marketing copy, it's closing sales, and yep, it's replacing workers. This isn't some far-off future thing. It is happening right now as we speak.
Okay, so this right here, this is where we completely change the game. This is not about fighting against AI. That's a losing battle. This is about harnessing its power. It's about taking something that looks like a massive threat and turning it into your own personal income machine.
So what even is an AI income machine? Well, it's not just one little tool. It's a whole system, a complete automated system where the AI does all the heavy lifting. It builds your assets, it automates your marketing, and it scales the entire operation for you. The whole point is to shift from you doing all the work to having a system that works for you.
So, how does this machine actually work? I promise you it's not magic. It's a really logical, three-step system that's designed for total automation. Let's pop the hood and see how this engine runs.
The whole thing, I mean the entire framework, it just boils down to these three pillars. It's super simple. First, the AI creates the digital stuff you need. Second, it drives traffic, people, to that stuff. And third, it converts that traffic into actual sales. Create, drive, convert. That's it. That's the core system.
All right, let's start with step one, create. Think about all the basic stuff any online business needs. A website, sales pages, marketing emails. I mean, that used to take weeks, right? With AI, it can literally be done in minutes. Just imagine telling an AI, hey, build me a landing page for a new fitness ebook, and poof, it generates the whole design and all the sales copy, like instantly.
Okay, on to step two, drive. Because a beautiful website is pretty useless if no one ever sees it. This is where AI systems can just automatically create and manage all your social media content or your ad campaigns to find and attract customers for you around the clock. The machine never gets tired. It just keeps bringing people to your digital doorstep 24/7.
And that brings us to the final beautiful piece of the puzzle, convert. The whole system is designed to turn those visitors into actual income. And because the entire process is automated, sales can happen anytime, day or night. This is where that whole making money while you sleep thing stops being a dream and becomes your reality.
You see, this is a massive shift in how we think about work. We're not just talking about some new fancy tool here. We are talking about a totally new kind of leverage that completely changes the entire equation of how you earn a living. And this slide right here, it shows the difference perfectly. Over on the left, that's the old way. You're just trading your time for money. You get on the treadmill, you work, you get paid. But the second you stop running, the money stops. Now look at the right. That's the new way. You put in the effort once to build a machine, and then that machine works for you, continuously, day in and day out, completely breaking that link between your time and your income. And this whole systems-based approach is designed to just tear down all those old barriers. The whole point is that you don't need to be some seasoned expert or computer programmer. You don't need a huge budget. The system is built to be accessible from anywhere in the world, and, this is the best part, it's scalable. Your income potential is no longer limited by how many hours are in your day. Just let that sink in for a second. You do the work to set the system up one time, and then it just runs. Day after day,
It's out there finding customers, making sales, and earning income for you completely on autopilot. That is the incredible power of true automation.
Now, before we wrap this up, let's have a quick reality check. Because with any powerful new technology, it's really easy to get lost in all the hype, right? So let's be crystal clear about what this is and what it isn't.
So the myth is that this is some kind of magic button for instant, effortless riches. That's not what this is. The reality is that it's an incredibly powerful toolkit. It still needs you to take that first step and get the system going. The difference is it just dramatically reduces the effort, the cost, and the huge learning curve of trying to do it the old way.
And so we end right where we started, with a choice. A decision that will very likely shape your entire financial future. As this technology gets faster and smarter, are you going to be the one using AI to create new streams of income? Or are you going to be the one who gets left behind? The choice is yours.